You! It's Yo! I am back, but with a twist. This is a freaking long vid.
And you saw that, right? His own palette got me launched, and now back to the gameplay.
How did I not see him flying back to spawn though?
He's right there ganging up on some poor guy.
Merry Christmas!
Wait, it's Kane West, my bad.
This absolute idiot not focusing on the fight.
Merry Christmas!
It's been almost 2 minutes now, and Lil Bro hasn't even touched me, Brotha. Bayo Juice Riella Oz D's is a fate. Bio is Trey to escape. Shot not. Bio is Bach.
Ready. Fight. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Fact a power
Ho, ho, ho!
AASSS.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!